rather exciting for me. I thought of doing this for a long time, possibly having reviews on my own channel. This was a YouTube channel that we opened a while back. I didn't know existed. I thought it was about time that we sort of shifted into our own space. And I don't think I would have started with a better film than Mom. देखो जब इंग्लिश पहली बार आई थी ना 2012 में, तो लोगों का रिएक्शन पिक्चर से पहले बहुत ही अलग था. Why? Because श्रीदेवी looked a little bit different, or they thought the promotions were different, and we didn't know that it would work. It looked like, you know, ज़बान संभाल के दोबारा हम टीवी पर देख रहे हैं, you know. When the film came out, it was something totally different. I felt hungry when she was making those lovely laddus at that time. That is the emotion you need to see when I at least feel like watching a film. Now, when I think about Mom, there were a few apprehensions. The trailer was fantastic, but would it be able to rise above, say, a Pink? You know, we'd seen something like that. Would it be a Taken, like a Liam Neeson style? Would it be a Jazba? And it has just surpassed that. It hit it out of the ballpark, like, and how? So, the first three ingredients that I always say of a good film is great actors, very important. A mediocre script can be elevated. Second, very tight editing. It has got to flow from one scene to another scene. I don't understand the meaning of screenplay. I'm not that learned enough. But when I see editing, I know it's flowing from one scene to another scene. And the third, perhaps most important part is a strong second half. You know, when you have a weak first half and you have a very strong second half, you walk away with a strong second half. But if you have a very iffy second half, the film, you forget that the first half was great. This one is brilliant in all three counts. First of all, the first 5 minutes of the film, and you're just wondering, Sridevi's accent is a little off. It's just not going with it. एक डिनर टेबल का सीन रहता है, उसमें आप सोच रहे हो, मुझे लगता है ये थोड़ी गड़बड़ हो सकती है. लेकिन उसके बाद मेरे रोंगटे खड़े हुए. सब लोग एक रोलर कोस्टर पर बैठ जाते हैं, और वो रोलर कोस्टर है एक्टिंग की पाठशाला. सजल अली लाहौर की लड़की है जिसने बहुत टीन ड्रामास वहां पे किए हैं. उसका एक क्राइम सीक्वेंस है, उसको देखकर आपको लग जाता है, बॉस, दिस गर्ल इज अ टॉप एक्ट्रेस. अब उसके सामने है श्रीदेवी जी. माँ और बेटी के बीच में दरार है, और वो कैसे पिताजी की तरफ देखती है, माँ को देखती नहीं, एक्नॉलेज नहीं करती है. वो सीक्वेंस में आपको पता लग जाता है, बड़ा परफॉर्मर. श्रीदेवी को देख के हक्के बक्के गुलो जाते लोगों के यार. एंड देन द माइस्ट्रो, द सुपरस्टार Sridevi strikes. You know, when they said Rajesh Khanna was the first superstar in Indian cinema, the first heroine superstar was Sridevi ji. और वो जब रोती है, ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे आपकी इनसाइड्स बाहर निकल रही है. You feel her crying. You feel the anger that she has. There's a chase sequence where she's chasing this one culprit. I won't tell you much. She's chasing him, she's chasing him. You think she's going to hit him right now. He's right there and suddenly something happens. And you just stop there. And the post-reaction of that shot is mind-blowing. Nawazuddin Siddiqui needs no introduction. हर बार वो आते हैं कुछ अलग कर देते. बजरंगी भाईजान अगर सलमान खान के लिए चली, तो छोटी मुन्नी थी और नवाज भी था. यहाँ नवाज comes in the second half and takes it to another level, subtle level के साथ. अगर एक कोई चिल्ला रहा है, दूसरा साथ में settle रहेगा और कांटे की टक्कर देगा, तो scene ही change हो जाता है. And that's what happens with this scene. Akshay Khanna, of course, is brilliant once again, and a great favorite of the producer Sunil Manchanda also, who was there in Salami Ishq also. He was there. He uses a number of his films. Very good actor. Why doesn't he act more? I don't know. So everybody in this entire sequence was perfect. And then you got this Ravi Udaiwar director. This was not a film I was watching. I was inside the film. And you know, I always feel कि मैं जब एक सिनेमा देखता हूँ, I see so many films every week. You know, as a reviewer, as a viewer, you watch so many films. You sometimes are ठीक है, ये पार्ट पसंद आया, ये पसंद नहीं आया. ये कैसी फिल्म थी जो यहाँ पे अटक गई. मेरे साथ बेबी के साथ ये हुआ था, जब अनुराग कश्यप की बेबी देखी थी. अनुराग ने मेरे को काले कमरे में बैठाया था और ये पिक्चर दिखाई. And it just was so uncomfortable. यहाँ पे I was feeling like a नपुंसक. ये Stars Wars is a very small thing for this film. You have to really see this film to experience what it is. आप एक थॉट के साथ बाहर निकलेंगे. ये अगली बार अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ, तो ये इमोशन मैं आगे लेके चलूंगा, एंड मैं ये दोबारा नहीं होने दूंगा. This is what you need to do. An Andolan, a movement starts with a thought, with a feeling. This film will make sure that happens for you. Sridevi ji, I am just so thankful you choose the right films to make a comeback. आप 10 साल बाद आइए, लेकिन ऐसी सिनेमा के साथ आइए. सजल अली, मैं इतना हैप्पी हूँ कि आप जैसा टैलेंट हमने देखा है. और इसमें अगर लोग कोई बोले कि भारतीय टैलेंट क्यों नहीं मिला, अरे टैलेंट होता है यार. भारतीय, नेपाली, श्रीलंकन, it doesn't matter. It's all about cinema. And that's why this is a must watch. It is a very tough film to watch. ये entertaining एक अलग तरीके से है from a film experience. So I'm going to give it 4 stars. For me, it was, could have been even 7 stars. But from a commercial perspective, from knowing that people शायद सब जगह नहीं आ पाएंगे, I'm going to give it 4 stars. But what a performance by Sridevi ji and all the cast. And you know, I was privileged to be part of the people that watched this film. So guys, remember, you want to see more of this, want to see more of my stuff, my reviews and the interviews and all that, like, share, subscribe. I'll be putting up all my Facebook and Instagram pages as well. See you soon, same time, same place, next week.